Hello, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to download the super working Wireturn app. So go to Google Play Store and type in Wireturn, then search for Wireturn. Now all these are the apps on Wireturn, some by different developers, but now you shall use this app with 500k. So click on it. As you can see, these are the installs, and this is how the app works. Wireturn default what stuff. So you have to click on install. You have to wait for the app to finish installing, and the app does not cost many MBs. It's just only 6.30 MBs. Wireturn is a network tunneling utility. Wireturn is a network tunneling utility used to bypass geographical-based restrictions on access site services which are available on the other side of globe by being highly anonymous and random. Wireturn is built to match high flexibility, configurable bypass firewalls, yet remaining very simple to use. All the bugs have been fixed this app. So when the app has finished installing, you have now to just open your application, and that's how the real Wireturn app looks like. All you people who are coming to this new YouTube channel should just know I'm here to teach you how and the tricks, how you'll be solving everything you really need in life, like all this free data stuff. So as you can see, our app is opened and it's showing us that we are not connected. You have to click here on server list, and these, just to know, these are the servers. You can look any server you want, but now just come here and click on not connected. As it is showing, Wireturn wants to set up a VPN connection that allows it to monitor network traffic. Only accept it if you trust the source. Appears at the top of your screen when VPN is active. Click OK. So now Wireturn is processing. You have to wait. When it starts to connect, you will have to see this down stuff watching moving, and here it says watch an ad to renew your access to the service. If you perform this step, you will receive more connection time. Revenue from the ads will assist us to keep the service free and unlimited. You can watch the ad if you want your video, your time to increase, but you can ignore. Now, as you can see, I can now change my data. Now I'm now using the free Wireturn data, and that's how it's being used and accessed. This is the official Wireturn application. Other apps are for different app developers. They help with different free TVs, free stuff, free help, free tools, but this is the real application. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more, and the next video I'm making that of Hatam.